Good morning students, my name is Shashank Verma and now today we will discuss chapter 1 revision because your half yearly is near. So from today we will start revision. Clear student? So one by one we will discuss the chapters because chapter I taught you but this is only revision. So now this is chapter 1 of NCERT student. Clear? One by one we will go. So chapter 1 is NCERT, it is given revision knowing our number. Okay student? So first we will discuss about the numbers. Clear student? So first we will discuss about numbers. So numbers, as you know that numbers, so you know that start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Clear student? But there is a variety in numbers. There is a variety in numbers. Like just say first you know that whole number. First you know that natural numbers. Okay, first you know that natural numbers. Natural numbers. Clear students? अब you know that natural numbers is what? Start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This is your natural number. And second thing is student, whole numbers. Whole numbers. Clear student? अब whole numbers you know that this will start from what? From 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Clear student? So the basic difference in natural number and whole number is natural number start from 1 and whole number start from student 0. Clear student? Next is integers. Integers. Clear student? Next is integer. So integers means student what? Integers means the combination of natural number and whole number. Clear? So integer may be two types. जैसे first is positive integer, second is negative integer. This is positive, this is negative. What is the meaning of this? यानी you know that कि integer 1, 2, 3. This is also an integer. Clear? -1, -2, -3. This is also an integer. It means and 0 is also integer. Clear student? So integer is the combination of what? Combination of natural number and whole number. Clear student? जैसे if we will talk about like number line. If this is a number line you know that. So in middle there is a 0 or anything you can write down. But you know that right hand side all are positive number. Yani 1, 2, 3. Clear? And left hand side of the 0 all are negative number. So what is the conclusion? Integer are the combination of natural number and whole number. Clear? It consists both. Okay. Now come to the next topic. So basic thing is clear na student? Ki what is integer? What is natural number? What is whole number? Clear? And the help of this we form the numbers. Clear student? So now next thing is student place value. Place value chart. ठीक है स्टूडेंट? नेक्स्ट इज प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट. अब प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट यू नो दैट स्टूडेंट प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट कंसिस्ट टू थिंग. वन इज नेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट, इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम एंड सेकेंड इज व्हाट? इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट. ठीक है ना? तो फर्स्ट विल राइट डाउन इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट. What is this system? This you know very well in previous class. In this we have to start from what? We have to start from ones, tens, hundreds. Clear? Ones, tens, hundreds, फिर thousands, 10,000s, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, फिर lakh. यानी you will start from ones, फिर tens, फिर hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh, फिर 10 lakh. फिर यू नो दैट करोड़। क्लियर स्टूडेंट? तो दिस इज योर व्हाट Indian place value chart. Clear student? So on the basis of this you can solve the question based on this, how you have to write down. Clear student? So just say if I have to write down, just say if this number is given, clear, you have to put in place value chart. So how you will do student? Just say it is given what, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. You know that you will count. So 6 is at which place? So you will write down 6 here because 6 is ones. 5 is tens place, you will write down 5. 4 is student hundreds, you will write down 4. 3 is thousands, you will write down thousands. 2 is ones, you will write 10,000, you will write down 10,000. This is your solution. It is what? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, yani 23,456. Similarly, this is what? See, 10,000 and 23,456. Clear? So if you have to write down in statement, you can write down what? You can write down 20. You can write down 23,456. Clear student? If you have to write down in the statement form, you can write down like this. So on the basis of this you can place the numbers in place value chart. Clear student? So this is about Indian place value chart. Now we will talk about international place value chart. Clear student? So we will talk about international place value chart. This was Indian, and now the second thing is international place value chart. Clear student? So in international there is a little bit difference. What? You will start from same thing, ones, tens, hundreds, फिर thousands, फिर 10,000s, okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, then 100,000s. This will come ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, then 100,000. This will 100,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. Clear student? Then it will come what? It will come million. It will come million. Then 10 million. After 10 million, it will come what? It will come 100 million. Clear student? So this is our international place value chart. This is 10 million. Clear? So जैसे in Indian place value chart there should be ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. ठीक है ना? 10,000 lakh, फिर 10 lakh. तो यानी 10 lakh equal to what? 10 lakh equal to 1 million. Clear student? So here this is international place value chart. You can compare. So if a number is given like 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 2. Okay? You have to put in the place value chart in international place value chart. So how you will put? This is what? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, then 100,000. Clear student? So you will write down simply ones यानी 2, फिर 8 tens you will write down 8, 100 यानी 7, 1,000 यानी 6, 10,000 यानी 3, फिर 100,000 यानी 2. Is that clear student? So this is about international place value chart. You can compare. This is also start from 1, but here is the change. This is 10,000. After 10,000 there is a 100,000. After this million, then 10 million, then 100 million. Clear? And in Indian place value chart there is a ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, फिर करोड़. Okay? यानी 10 million equal to 1 crore. Clear student? So this is about international place value chart student. So I think now you are able to solve the question on based on this. Clear student? So this is revision. So only I explained the basic concept of the place value chart and international place value chart. Clear student? And in your book this is also given 10 million, 100 million, फिर billion. Okay? So now you will solve the question based on this. Now come to the next point. What is the next point, student? Next point is very important for you. This is the place value chart. The next thing is place value, and this is face value. Place value and student face value. Or what is the place value and face value, student? Very simple. Place value means you have to see कि what is the place of the digit which is given in the question. जैसे if 4, 6, 3, 5 is given, this is a number. If I want to know what is the place value of 3, clear student? If I want to know what is the place value of 3, so what you will do, you know that this is ones, this is tens. So you can write down 3 tens is the place value of 3. Clear? So place value you have to find out like that. If I want to know the place value of what? 4. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So you can write on 4 thousands. Because you know that this is on thousand place. But if it is given 4, 6, 3, 5, any number you can take. I am taking same number. If I want to know what is the face value of 5, what is the face value of 5? So you write down कि face value of 5 is 5. Why 5? Because face value will never be changed. Face value will never be changed. Clear ना? And place for simple जैसे कि place may be changed. Place जैसे if you want to go one place to another place, you can go. Clear ना? But face value means your like your own home. तो your own home जैसे you are living in Gorakhpur, तो this is your own home. ठीक है ना? You cannot change your own home. ठीक है ना? हाँ, for study, for anything else, for job, you can go anywhere else. But your place, your मतलब birth place is always same. ठीक है ना? तो same like face value will never be changed. ठीक है ना? It will be what? It will be constant. This is the concept of face value. Face value will never be changed. And place value, you know that कि जैसे from Gorakhpur you are going to Delhi, तो place value change कि now you are living in Delhi, but your birthplace is what? Gorakhpur. Clear student? So this is about the concept of face value. Face value will never be changed. Clear student? So now this is the concept of face value and place value. I think now you are able to solve the question on based on this. Clear? Face value and place value. Okay student? Okay. Now move to the next question. Next topic. So our next topic is student. One very important question always come जैसे कि how many four digit number are there in all. 4 digits number are there in all. Many type example given in your book like this: 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit. So student, the actual meaning of this question is total how many 4 digit number are available. So for this I explain one formula कि total number if you have to find out, it doesn't matter कि 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit, it doesn't matter ना. तो here 4 digit given है, तो first you will write down greatest 4 digit number, okay, minus smallest 4 digit number, then plus 1. Is that clear student? First in every question, first you will write down greatest 5 digit given to 5 digit, 6 digit given to 6 digit, and smallest. So here we will write down greatest 4 digit number, you know that 9999. Okay, smallest you know that 1 and 30. This you know that very well. So and plus 1. Clear student? So when you will subtract, it will come what? It will come 9, फिर 9, फिर 9. 9 minus 1, 8. Clear beta? Now 1. So this will come what? It will come 8,999 is given na. So when you will add student, it will come 9,000. So total 4 digit number are there is equal to 9000. Clear? So if in the question it is given 5 digits, 6 digits, 7 digits, so same concept you will apply what? First you will write down greatest 5 digit number or greatest 6 digit number, then you will subtract smallest 5 digit, 4 digit, anything what is given, then you will add at last 1. Clear? This is about formula. Clear, student? So I think now you are able to solve the question based on this. Clear, student? So now we will move to the next topic. What is our next topic is given, student? So I think only these type of concepts are given in your book. Acha, one important thing is given, student, round off. Okay, rounding. What is given? Rounding off. Rounding off. Clear, student? अब राउंडिंग ऑफ यू नो वेरी वेल, जैसे नियरेस्ट 10, नियरेस्ट 100, नियरेस्ट 1000. इज दैट क्लियर, स्टूडेंट? तो अब व्हाट इज द रूल ऑफ दिस? व्हाट इज द रूल ऑफ दिस? इफ स्टूडेंट इट इज गिवन, जैसे इफ अ नंबर, लाइक आई एम टेकिंग एग्जांपल, सी if it is given 567, if this is a number, you have to round off to the nearest 10. Let us assume nearest 10. So what you will see, student, if nearest 10 is tens is given, so you will see what? You will see nearest ones. If nearest 100 is given, so you will see nearest tens. Clear? Nearest 1000 you have to do to nearest 100. So here you have to show find nearest 10. Clear, student? So for nearest 10 we will see what? Nearest one. अब nearest one is 7. So the rule is, if number is greater than or equal to 5, greater than, student, see, greater than or equal to 5, this is the sign of equal, so you will increase 1. Clear? Otherwise everything will be 0. अब how it will apply, student? जैसे this is a number 567. Okay, अब nearest 10 you have to do, so first you will see what? Nearest ones. Nearest one is what? 7. Is that clear? So you know that 7 is greater than 5. So what I explained, if greater than 5 is given or equal to 5 is given, you will increase one number to this one, means nearest 10. This one, this is nearest 10, so this will become what? And this one remains same, so you will write down 5, this will become what? 7, and this will become 0. So this is our answer. Clear, student? Again I am going to take for this question, if you have to find out what? You have to find out nearest. In this question you have to find out nearest 100. Clear, student? अब you know that for nearest 100 what? Nearest 100 what you will see? You will see nearest tens. Up here nearest 10 is 6. Is that clear? 6 is greater than 5 and it will be equal, then also you have to increase. So you have to change in nearest 100. So what you will see? You will see nearest tens. So tens is 6. So 6 is greater than 5. So what you will do? You will increase 1 in 5. Is that clear, student? So this will become what? This will become 6. You will write down 6 and rest of them become 0. So this is your solution. Clear? Okay. So for this, if I want to know for nearest 1000, for nearest 1000, clear? Sorry, nearest 100 no, 1000, ठीक. So for nearest 1000 you will see what, student? You will see nearest 100. Nearest 100. अब you know that nearest 100 is what? Nearest 100 is nearest 100 is, student, 5. Okay. So nearest 100 is 5. It means what? You will do. One question I given in the examination also based on this. So nearest 100 is 5. 1000 in nothing is given. So you will put 0. There is no effect. There will be no effect. Clear? So nearest 100 is 5. So what you will do? You will increase 1 in this one. Why? Because what is the rule? If number is greater than or equal to 5, you will increase 1. Clear? So now this will become what? This will become 1 and rest of them become 0. So this is our solution. Clear, student? So now I think you are able to solve all the question based on round off. Clear student? What is nearest 1, nearest 10, nearest 100, you have to check and you have to change the number. Only you have to see the number is greater than or equal to 5, then you will change. Otherwise rest of them become 0. So you will be if you will practice, you will solve all the question. Next is estimation. So student, our next concept is estimation. Clear student? Estimation. What is estimation? As you know that very well. Just say if it is given 88 divided by 28, you have to find out the estimated quotient. What is the means of estimated quotient student? Estimated means approximately. ठीक है ना? जैसे 88, you know that I can write down 88 it is near about 90. So write down 90. Clear? This is 28. You can write down 30. You can write down because you have to estimate approximately. And this will become what? This will become 3. Okay. Same concept like 43 is given, and it is divided by what? It is divided by 90. Okay. So you know that 43 you can write on what? Near about 40, and this will be near about 20. So this will become what? 2. So student, this is based on your concept, your presence of mind ki what you are estimating. Some student what they can write down 45 and they can write down 20. But when you will estimate, this will come in decimal. But estimation will always come in number. ठीक है ना? Like natural number, like integer. ठीक है? So this is your concept of estimation. Estimate like that. जैसे 43 is given, so this is near about 40. So you have to check. Clear? So this type of question also I given in the examination. So you have to check ki what is the concept of estimation. Clear student? Now the next thing of this chapter is Roman numerals. Okay student? Some Roman numerals are given. Roman numerals. Clear student? This is our Roman numeral. अब Roman numerals तो you know that very well कि which representing which. Okay? जैसे I, this one, फिर C, D, M. अच्छा, one thing I forget, L. Also you can write down here X, L. This is not serial wise. ठीक है ना? अब जैसे this is represent what? This is represent 1. This is 5. और C means I think 100. D means 500. M means 1000. X means 10. L means 50. So this is not serial wise. You can write down serial wise. Clear? Because in examination it will not come in serial wise. Clear? अच्छा, some rule is given in your book student कि जैसे in your RS Agarwal given on page number 18 कि V, L and D are never be subtracted. So this rule I explain. Clear? So you will see once only 3 to 4 rule is given. जैसे V, L, D are never be subtracted. I can subtract it from V and X only. Some rule is given. So you know this rule very well. Here only I am solving some question like जैसे if a student given 23, you have to write down what? 23. अब you know that 20, for 20 you will write on what? X. X 2 times because this is the value of 10. So this will become 20 and this is 3. So this is our the value of 23. Okay? Like 51 you have to write down. Clear? So what you can write down student? You can write down what? L, I. Only one thing you can write down. Clear? So Roman numeral means only you have to write down in numbers and Roman numerals. Clear? Let us take another example. Like it is given X, X, V, I. This is given student. So what you can write down this in what? This is 10. This is 10. So write down 10 plus 10. For this is 5 or plus 1. Clear? So this will become what? 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 1, 26. Clear? So lots of question is given in your book student. Clear? You can solve this question. Acha, one another example, little bit long. जैसे if I want to take 625. 625. If you have to write down in Roman numerals. So how you will write down student? Ab you know that कि 625, तो यू कैन राइट डाउन 600 plus 25. But 600, there is no representation of 600. So you can write on what? You can write on 500 plus 100 plus 25. Of this, how I retain? You have to do practice. When you will do practice, you will understand how you will write down. Because you know that only, you know that the value of 500, you know that the value of 100 and 25 also you can write down. Ab you know that what is the value of 500, student? The value of 500 is D. So you can write down D. The value of 100, student, C. So C. 25 you have to write down now. So first we will write down 20. 20 means X and X. 2 times. So X and X. This will become 20 and 5 you have to write down. So 5 you will write down like this. Clear, student? So only you have to solve the question very carefully. Okay? And you will be able to solve. And you have to know the value of what is given, what is not given. Next example I am taking 556. This is also based on same. So for 500 you can write down 500 simply because the value of 500 you know. Clear? A 56 is given, student. So 56. You know that 50 plus 6. Simple. So 500 you know that the value of 500 is what? D. Okay? 50 you know that what? L. 6 you know that? V I. So this is our solution. Clear, student? So 556 you can write down like this. So you can also check many of question given based on this. So this is about chapter 1, knowing or number, student. Clear? So I explain each concept, student. Clear? I will not solve all the question because in previous video I solved all the question. So in this we have to solve, we have to only revise. Some other question I am going to revise. Just say one question is given, estimate of the following rounding off to the nearest 10. Just say one question is given, rounding off to the nearest 10. Just say it is given 38 and 63. Same concept you will apply. Nearest 10 you have to round off, na? Nearest 10. Clear, student? Okay. So now what you will do, you know that this is nearest, for nearest 10. You have to see 100, one place is 8. 8 is what? 8 is greater than 5. So you will increase 1 in this one. So this will become what? 40. Simply you know that. Multiply. Nearest tens na? So one's place is what, student? 3. So you will not increase anything. Why? Because this is 3. If it will be more than 5 or 5, then you will increase. But this is 3. So what you will do? This will become 0. Yani this place becomes 0. This will become what? 60. Clear? So this is what? 6 4 ja 24 and 00. This is our solution. Clear, student? So I explained all the basic concept based on this. So now I think you are able to solve all the question based on estimation I clear, rounding off I clear, and in exercise some is given like addition, subtraction. Acha, one important thing, student, in your RS Agarwal it is given, just say one example I am taking. It is given the mass of each gas cylinder is 16 kilogram, 250 gram. One example I am taking, mass of gas, each gas cylinder equal to, it is given 16 kilogram, 250 gram. Okay, this is given mass of each cylinder 16 kilogram, 250 gram, and you have to find out what is the total mass of 18 cylinder. You have to find out mass of 18 cylinders. Mass of 18 cylinders. So this is what? This is what? Just say if cost of one copy is 10 rupees, so cost of 2 copy is 10 multiplied by 2. Simple. But here, student, you have to see one important thing. You have to convert in same quantity. Just say one is given and same quantity I discussed na. Just say meter given, centimeter is given. This is given what? 16 kilogram. So 16 kilogram you will write down same. You have to also convert this gram into kilogram. So this will become what? This will become 250 upon 1000. because 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So 1010 cancel. So 25 100 will come what? 0.25. This is also in kg. This will come what? 60.25. Clear? Kilogram. Now what you have to find out? Mass of 18 cylinder. So write down 18. Because 18 you have to multiply. This will know what? 8 5 ja 40. 8 2 ja 16. 16 plus 4 20. 8 6 ja 48. 48 plus 2 50. 8 1 ja 8. 8 plus 5 13. Now next 1 5 ja 5. 1 2 ja 2. 1 6 ja 6. 1 1 ja 1. Clear? This will come 0 5 2 9 2. Now decimal you will put after decimal 2 digit. So after decimal 2 digit. So this is what? This is 29.292.50 यानी 292.50 kg. Clear student? अब you want to change in gram. Also you can change by multiplying it by 1000 because this is given in kilogram. So always in examination student you have to write down in same quantity. Clear student? Because जैसे kilogram is given, gram is given, तो always you will confuse. You have to convert in kilogram, gram or anything else. ठीक है ना? तो always see the first thing. First in kilogram, तो second also always convert in kilogram. First in meter, second in centimeter, तो second also convert in meter. So you have to see first one and you can change second one. Also you can change this one regarding this one, but follow only one rule. Just follow simple rule. Clear? Always. So you will never face any doubt. कि one is given, तो second also you have to change in same manner. Clear? And don't be confused about answer. जैसे in your book it is also given 292 kilogram and 500 gram. This is also correct. This is also correct. But why? What I taught you, you have to convert in same quantity, then find out solution. Always your answer will be correct. Okay student? So now this is the revision of chapter 1, knowing our number. So basic concept all I clear. Clear student? Some example also I given. So it's depend on you for half yearly prepare for your test. Clear student? Thank you students.